Deep in the jungle, a forgotten giant is finally being given another chance. The ruined cruise ship is lifted from the jungle and transported to the shipyard for restoration. Before rebuilding anything, every damaged section must first be measured, marked, and understood. The ship is carefully stripped down, one damaged component at a time. Years of dirt and decay are washed away, revealing the structure hidden underneath. Beneath the failed paint, the original metal begins to reappear. The worst corrosion is cut away, until only solid structure remains. New structural sections are measured until every seam aligns. Piece by piece, the damaged hull begins to regain its original strength. The repairs spread across the ship, turning isolated fixes into structural recovery. With the structure secure, the ship's weathered surfaces begin to take shape again. The repaired structure finally begins to resemble the ship it once was. The foundation is rebuilt, and now the deeper transformation can finally begin. The ship's missing details return as damaged components are rebuilt and installed. Windows, railings, doors, and fixtures slowly restore the ship's original identity. Deep inside the ship, the mechanical heart is opened for a complete rebuild. Every mechanical component is cleaned, measured, rebuilt, and prepared to work again. The rebuilt machinery returns to its original position, aligned and ready for testing. Behind the walls, a new electrical network begins, bringing the ship back to life. The control center is rebuilt, reconnecting the ship's restored systems. The giant hull finally loses its scars and begins to reveal its original presence. Inside, empty cabins become warm luxury suites designed for a completely new life. The pieces finally come together, reconnecting the ship into one complete structure. Mechanical, electrical, water, and hospitality systems now begin working together. The giant rebuild is nearly complete, but the final details will decide its transformation.
The final major pieces are installed, bringing the new resort closer to completion.
The restoration enters its final stage, as every visible surface receives its last refinement. The smallest details bring back the character that made the ship recognizable. After years of decay, the ship's surface now reflect light like new. One circuit at a time, the sleeping ship begins to glow again. The restored machinery finally moves under its own systems, proving the rebuild is working. For the first time, the ship's restored systems operate together as one. Even after the major work is finished, the smallest imperfections still demand attention. The tools disappear, the dust is gone, and the forgotten ship finally looks ready for guests. After years of silence, the restored ship finally proves that every system works together.
The final checks are complete. Every detail is polished and ready for its new life as a luxury.
After everything has been rebuilt, the final inspection marks the return of the forgotten giant. What was once forgotten in the jungle now stands reborn as an extraordinary luxury paradise.